I got sand trout and whiting. Oh, look at that. Good one, look. And the whiting. Malaki yan. I know. Speckled trout? No, come on, keep going. Laki ah. What kind of fish is that? Oh, it's a red fish, Mom. I don't think it's a good size. Bring it over here. Yeah, it's red. It's smaller. You have to be 20. You have to be 20, huh? This one have to be 20.
21.
21.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's small. Yeah, that's small, Mom. Yeah, let me take a picture. Very nice. Kaya palang bigat eh. May nahuli pala. Red fish no. No, look, another whiting. Two whiting again. What? Man.
Malaki yung isa.
I know.
Parehong malaki.
Got it. Oh, whiting. Oh, look. Another whiting. Holy shit.
Hulog mo yun, kaya makukuha mo.
Damn. Jesus, a lot of whiting. Oh, look at that. What? Damn. Grabe. Oh, nahulog na. Give me a plastic bag, ma'am. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Walang huli sa akin.
Wala.
Paano magkakahuli? Wala nang bait.
Yeah, what's this? Is it underneath? On the top? Is it on the top? What the heck? Malaki, Mom? It's a good one. Oh shit. Oh, it's shark, I think. It's a shark. Uh-huh. You have a net? Shark, man. Yeah. There you go.
Yung alam mo yung...
Sa akin ba yun? Yeah, nandiyan mo nalagay. Hang on.
Na ano yung ano mo dito?
I know. Stupid. Buti pa madulas. Kaso laki. I know, sa akin yan yung dagat ko. Pick up po, mama. Kagating ka niya. Nagagat niya. Nangagat yan. Ayun na. Ito nga, puta.
Kinain.
Kinain eh. Eh, take it easy. Ano?
Baka mo lang ah.
Meant to be for you. Oh, fucker. Come on, man. Hot.
Dad, kain mo na pala ako.
Ulit na.
Ulo ko, no? Pala yun. Kamay.
Mama. Oh, it's a big one. I knew it. I know I'm gonna catch one. It's a huge whiting.
Well, nothing like one.
It's a big whiting, guys. Look at that. Ooh, I got you, boy. I got you, boy. I got you, boy. I got you. Big whiting. Yo. Awesome. Ayun. You got it, you got it. Whew. Okay.
Kasi mainit eh.
Mainit, no?
Kaya nakakapagod.
Ay, no, walang hangin.
Oo, wala hangin.
Eh,
Covid na init.
sobrang init. Eh, kung wala ko lapit tayong payo, hindi lang patay, hindi ako tatagal.
Sobrang dry na dad.
Dry, super dry.
Walang hangin, no?
Walang hangin eh. Natin.
Grabe.
Hindi gumagalaw ito, ano eh. Come on, man.
Ito, huli na to. Yung mabit.
Oh, yeah. Good,
Kaya
good.
ako dito. Yun, ang gusto ko.
Okay. Nako, man naka-on ba? Hindi. Man naka-on, no?